In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letter in WPS Office Docs on desktop. This tutorial is ideal for anyone who wants to quickly create a professional and polished letter without starting from scratch. Using ready-made templates, you can focus on writing your content while WPS Office takes care of the layout and formatting. To begin, open WPS Office on your desktop and make sure you are on the home page. From here, click on Docs to access the document section. Once you are in Docs, click Create from Templates. This will open a wide range of pre-designed templates that are ready to use for different types of documents. Next, use the search bar at the top of the template page to type letter. This will filter the results and show only the templates designed specifically for letters. You will see a variety of options, including formal business letters, simple personal letters, and more decorative designs. Take your time to browse through the templates and choose the one that best suits your needs and the tone of your letter. Once you find a template that you like, click on it to select it. Then, click Download to bring the template into your document workspace. After the template has been downloaded, it will open automatically, allowing you to start editing right away. Now, you can customize the letter to your preference. Click on any text area to replace the placeholder content with your own information. You can adjust names, addresses, greetings, and the body of a letter to make it fit your specific purpose. WPS Office allows you to edit the text, format paragraphs, and ensure that everything is aligned properly so your letter looks clean and professional. Continue editing until your letter is complete and reflects exactly what you want to communicate. Using templates not only saves time, but also ensures that your document maintains a professional appearance throughout. This method is perfect for users of any experience level, as it combines ease of use with flexibility. That is how you can create a letter using a template in WPS Office Docs on desktop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.